welcome to Ed Foodie. We're going to make a really good dessert today. I got my sweet tooth going here. I really like the lemon bars and I like cheesecake, so we're going to do a dessert that's kind of got a combination of cheesecake and lemon bars, so sounds really good. First thing we're going to do is our graham cracker crust, and that's just traditional like we would do for any cheesecake. What I've got here is 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, and I bought these already, it's very fine, already ground up. And to that we're going to mix in 1/4 cup of sugar. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So we're just going to stir in real easy, real quick, the sugar and the graham cracker crumbs. Now I've got 5 tablespoons of already softened butter. I'm going to heat this up real quick in the microwave so that it's liquid. Be very careful when you do this because the butter will explode. All right, my butter's melted. I'm just going to slowly pour this into the graham cracker. We're going to mix this in good. And then what's going to end up looking like is kind of like wet sand. I've got a Pyrex 11 by 7 baking pan. We're just going to pour that in, and we can evenly spread it out. I will put this into my oven that's at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. All right, so now for the cream cheese mixture, or the cheesecake mixture, I'll show you. In my mixer bowl here, I've got 1 8-ounce bar of cream cheese. To it, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. And everything in the cheesecake mixture should be at room temperature, so I've gone ahead and let this cream cheese really soften up good. We're going to put in some eggs. You want the eggs also at room temperature, and a little bit of milk, and you want the milk at room temperature. So here's my 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, we can start. We'll mix in this cream cheese and the sugar. Add 1 egg. Two tablespoons of milk. And 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Add 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Be sure this is fresh lemon juice. It makes it so much better. We'll make sure we got the sides mixed in here. Maybe mix it a little bit more. All right, I've pulled my crust out of the oven. I've reduced the temperature of the oven to 325 degrees. Now we can pour in our cheesecake mixture. Try to pour it out into just a nice even. We get a nice even layer here. Okay, it pretty much levels itself out. Okay, now we're going to put this back in the oven. It's at, remember, 325 degrees. We're going to do it for like 15 minutes. All right, so to get ready on our lemon layer, like I said, I don't think I'm going to use the mixer on this. We'll just mix it up in a bowl. I'm going to start with 4 eggs, and I've let these come to room temperature. To our 4 eggs, we will add 1 1/2 cups sugar. We'll add 3/4 of a cup of fresh lemon juice. Okay, I'm gonna whisk this up good. We want to make sure the sugar is fully dissolved. I don't feel any more of the sugar granules in there. So now our final little step here is 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm just gonna kind of slowly add that and keep stirring. Okay, so here's our half-baked cheesecake. Now we will slowly pour our lemon mixture on top of the cheesecake. All right, it's looking good and smells good.
Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes.
All right, I left them in there for about 40 minutes because it was a little bit liquidy in the center. And now it's just a little bit golden brown on the outside edges, so I think this is going to be just right. All right, so now all I'm going to do is let this cool to room temperature. I'll put it in the refrigerator. I'll probably cover it, put it in the refrigerator for a few hours or maybe overnight. Tomorrow we'll sift maybe some powdered sugar on top of it. We'll cut them into squares and we'll have ourselves a lemon bar cheesecake. Okay, it's been in the refrigerator. Looks really nice. Let's cut off a piece. We're gonna put a little bit of sifted powdered sugar. Looks really good. Let's try it. Really good. Very good. Okay.
Looks very good. I want to try this. Oh, this is really good. Can't stop it. Very good.
If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Yeah, right over there. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Really good. I love it.